Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a community that you created on Reddit. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you created a community on Reddit and you can't find it, it's pretty simple. Just log into your Reddit account, and once you have logged in, go to this sidebar and expand it. So I'll expand this navigation. Then from here, scroll down to community. As you can see, if you go to community here, we have this option to manage communities. Here you can see all the communities that I am in, and also this will include your community. For my case, I created this community and now I have found it. Just click on it, and now here you can modify your community as you wish. You can see you have option to maybe add a banner, and also you can make any customization on your community as you wish. You can also go ahead and add a profile image. You'll also be able to see all the posts shared on your community. So that's how you can find communities you created on Reddit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.